cooking show. We have treats. We have food. Da 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 da. Don't be rude. Da 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 da. Just eat food. Da 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 da. On Addie and Mimi's cooking show.
Hi, it's Addie and Mimi, and we are here to show you a video of us making a really disgusting recipe with Fruit Loops and a bunch of other stuff. So I kind of liked it though. So okay, here it is. Hi! Today we're going to be cooking a very special recipe made by me. And first I would like to introduce my assistant, Mimi. Okay, so the first ingredient is
Fruit Loops.
Fruit Loops. Then we need some ranch sauce.
That was good.
Then some lemon pepper. This is too good.
Yummy.
Then a little bit of milk.
I'm gonna die when I eat this.
Now that we're done our recipe, just mix it up with a spoon or a fork.
You take the first bite.
And eat.
This is called the Fruit Loop lemon pepper milk and red sauce dish.
Oh.
Vomit corn.
Oh. That was delicious. And you can get this recipe online at adiolarecipes.com.
What's this?
Okay, that's good.